Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video is Google Play developers, Android app developer, table of content, improvements, the right monetize strategies, on how to build and grow your app revenue streams, implement the right monetize strategy, choose the right monetize mode, learn about monetize option available on Google Play and combine them into strategy that maxim- maximize your app revenue. Sell digital goods and or service with Play Builder estimate increase the revenue. You are free to download our ads funded app by selling global or constant digital goods. Sell digital subscription with Play billing stream it creates a more regular revenue stream at your camp app selling content free using subscription. Sell physical goods and service with Google Play simply and estimate your e-commerce purchase. Finance use Google Play to left use buy physical goods or service with the create debit cards. Get paid show ads with Google AdMob. Show user ads for 1 hour 1 million Google advertiser ads that fit right with your app using Google AdMob native ads. Increase your playing user. Improve content with Google Analytics for free basic optimization on strategy using the increase into data on top of 500 and app everything. Protect your app. Refund about understand physical interest your can app working is gaming increase and setup management grow revenue. Thanks for watching.